Here we go again with this tutorial, and we will be creating an HC account. The country is always Canada. I wanted to take the advantage of having a Canadian bank account and Canadian information to create also an HC account. So in this tutorial, we will be needing, like always, the first thing is multi-login. Multi-login is an anti-detect browser that keeps your fingerprint hidden, and it makes you create accounts with no problems. They are separated. Each profile has a proxy, an IP. The IPs are residential. Um, the cookies are safe. The MAC address or the physical address of your PC or device is safe. So this is the perfect software to use if you are trying to create multiple accounts, and it's actually my first choice. So if you want, like always, if this is the first video you are watching on my channel and you want to benefit from 50% discount on multi-login, you just need to check the description. There is a code coupon, and you can use it up on the checkout, and it will give you 50% discount. The setup is pretty easy, but let's talk what you need first. What you need first is you need information, sensitive information, and here we are talking about the SIN, the social insurance number. The social insurance number, it's something equal to social security number in the US. We need a selfie, a clear selfie. We need a front ID and back ID. Guys, of course, the information must be fresh. You never used them before. And the IP must be a residential IP to use. And also a Canadian number is, it's better to have a Canadian number for further verification. It's considered on HC as a second verification, so it's better to have it on your account. And by the way, HC doesn't force you to verify your number. You can just do it to the 2FA or the two-factor authentication application, like apps like Google Authenticator. So it's up to you, but I'm telling you, the number is good to verify the account with a number. So let's start. To create a profile, let's name it, for example, Etsy. Directly we go to the operating system. It's better to use the Mac as an operating system. It's better. I'm not saying this is your only choice. It's better, but you can use Windows. The browser is always Mimic. It's based on Chromium. It's better than Stealthfox. The storage must be cloud and not local. Be careful to this one. It's so important. The proxy is multi-login. If you have a very, very good proxy, you can use it. Just click custom and you can type your information here. It's either an HTTP, HTTPS, or SOX5. In my case, I will stick to multi-login proxy. Of course, the connection type is residential and location is Canada. The region must be matching the information you have. So let's say Alberta, for example. You can choose which city, for example, Calgary, and the ISP, you can choose from this ones here, TELUS or Show. They are all famous communication companies in Canada. Just in case you don't know, you check the proxy to make sure it is working. You go down. The WebRTC mask, it is good. The time zone mask is good. Geolocation access, keep it like this. The browser language, keep it masked. The screen resolution, real. By the way, guys, this is not an option, like it's just preference, but when you don't make it full or real, it will not fill your screen And if it doesn't fill your screen, you are letting the robots of Etsy or eBay or Amazon or whatever catch some fingerprints from your desktop. So make sure you have it full resolution, which is real. Like just keep it real. It will take all the screen on your PC. The font data real. The media devices, keep it masked. Go down and check this one here. The pre-made cookies is Amazon. Don't worry guys, I know we are creating Etsy, but just keep it Amazon and click create. Once you're done, you will have it here. I have already the you know the profile created because I created an eBay account. You can check the channel to see if you are interested in making a Canadian eBay account. So for now it is Etsy, and we will type Etsy, and we will click the first site on the search. Click sign in, show more options. I'm sorry, create an account. Here you have to submit the email you have here. I will be using a Payoneer account as a bank to receive payouts from this Etsy. The good about Etsy is you can register under any currency you want. So let's say I want to use the GBP or the Great Britain pound, which is UK currency. You can. If you want to register under Canadian, you can. USD, you can. I will show you how you do it, guys. Anyways, this is our Payoneer account. I made it, or I created yesterday. It's approved. And yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you want me to create or to make a video how to create a Payoneer Stealth account. Let me just use let me get the bank information. As you can see here, the routing number, the account number. And let's come back to Etsy now. Okay, let me verify the email. As you can see here, we click sell on Etsy. I have something to tell you guys. This is so important. I will not do it. I'm not going to do this because I don't have time, but you should do it. After you create an Etsy account like this, leave it. Just close the browser and leave it for minimum 1 week. For minimum 1 week. When you come back after the 1 week, you come here and just buy something. It doesn't matter, even if it is something just $1, you can find a lot of things here for $1. Just buy something for $1 and leave it until it marks delivered. For example, maybe we can just buy let's make the price 1. As you can see here, you can buy anything from here. This is just, I think, not even $half, $half. Just buy it and forget about it. They will deliver it. And after they deliver it, wait for like 2 days, 3 days, and then you come here. So in total, let me sum up. When you create the account like this, leave it for 1 week. After that, you come back, you buy something. It doesn't matter the price. You can buy something like this for $half. Wait for 2 days. Then, only then, you can come and click sell on Etsy. I hope this step is clear. Uh, by the way, we have the information here. Unfortunately, I cannot show you everything here because it's it's uh, it's illegal on YouTube. You cannot show ID on video for privacy. So I hope you can see them here. Nothing special, just front, back, the information like SIN and so on. We come back and we click get started. Let's do this. Go with the first one. Handmade. Start your shop. Shop language is English. The shop country is Canada. The shop currency is the United States dollar. Save. Shell flowers, for example. Okay. Save and continue. Where is your bank located? The United States. And here you keep it individual or sole proprietorship. Let's fill this and come back. Okay, we have all the information here. Save and continue. Okay. Now we click connect account via Plate. Continue. Manual. Let's get the routing number from here. Continue. The account number. Continue. Checking. Authorize. Continue. Save and continue now. So guys, with the US bank, I had to wait until I receive the verification amount on my Payoneer. So in this case, I will just switch to GBP and just, so I don't have to wait. I have already the bank here, account number, sort code, the bank account number. It is Citibank, and save and continue. Okay, so now you need exactly to know at this stage here, I cannot share anything. I'm sorry, I cannot share. This is the verification of persona. It is the last verification to get to your shop. Unfortunately, I cannot show it online. I cannot share it for free since it will be patched easily, trust me, it will be patched easily if I share it for public. But feel free to contact me if you are interested in buying this, this tool that I use to bypass this QYC verification. Let me continue making, or let me verify the ID and come back to you. So now after verifying the ID, I just need to wait for like 24 hours, especially if it is the weekend. So just 24 hours and the account will be approved and ready for selling. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will be glad to help you.